Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about your submission to the Chapter 4 My IT Lab homework assignment. So let's take a look at Step 7, which was the problem. And in Step 7, you can see I have the results here on the screen. In Step 7, I'm going to click the down arrow to see what about the exact step it didn't like. And as you mentioned in your email, it reported back that what it's saying is that the data labels are not applied correctly. But in fact, they are applied correctly. And you're right, I downloaded the file. Looks terrific. So here's what you need to know about My IT Lab, that sometimes on occasion, when a step has lots of different parts to it, and the system finds something that it doesn't like or it thinks is not applied correctly, it'll report back on something. Like here, it's saying that the data labels aren't right, but they are right. And really what it means is that there's something else in the step that's wrong. It just doesn't know how to report that back. So it picks on this little guy. Okay, so then if this ever happens again, what you need to do is just look back at the entire step and make sure the entire thing is correct. So I just went through the entire step and I made sure every little thing was right and almost everything is perfectly applied. It's the very last thing that needs correcting. So the very last part of this says, modify the 3D format by changing the top bevel to a relaxed inset for the chart area. Okay, so I downloaded your spreadsheet. We're going to take a look at it here. And we're going to work with the chart. So I'm going to slide this. Oops, I'm not going to slide it over just yet. I want to show you something on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to click once on the chart to be active on the chart. I'm going to click the Format tab, and way over on the left-hand side, I'm going to click Format Selection. That's going to open the big panel that we work with frequently. Okay, so now I'm going to slide this over so we can work in this big panel. Okay, now I'm going to click once on the pie itself so that I'm formatting. The panel is dynamic, which means it responds to whatever we've clicked on. Okay, so I've clicked on the pie slices and I'm going to click the effects pentagon. And here's our top bevel. And we want the one called, yes, relaxed inset. That's the one we want. So I'm going to select the relaxed inset bevel. Very small change, but that's what it wants. So go ahead and make that change. Save your spreadsheet, submit it to the My IT Lab, and if you have any more trouble or if it deducts any more points, just let me know.